We have a relation in between frequency and beta. Frequency is inversely proportional to beta. F is equals to 1 by beta. Whenever beta is reduces, hence IC reduces, and we know that IC is our output, so the gain is reduces. Understand? Hence we can say that at higher frequency the gain is also reduces. The another reason of at high frequency and the reduction of reduces of gain is inter-electrode capacitance. Inter-electrode capacitance. Let us consider a transistor. The inter-electrode capacitance is a capacitance in between both the three terminals of emitter, collector and base. We consider the three capacitor is attached in between base, emitter and collector terminal. The interelectrode between base and collector is BC. The interelectrode of collector to emitter is CCE, and B is the interelectrode capacitance of base to emitter terminal. Whenever the frequency increases, the gain is reduces due to inter-electrode capacitance. Now in the figure, we find that at low frequency and at high frequency, in both the cases the gain is reduces. So when the gain is increases, the gain is not increase but flat at in between both FH and FL at low and high frequency. That is known as mid frequency, and the value of mid frequency is 50 Hz to 20 kilohertz, and it is also our audible range. Hence RC coupled amplifier is also called a audio amplifier, because in this amplifier the gain frequency is in between 50 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Thank you.